would like to call upon Aryan Chandra Prakash. He is the screenplay writer and director of the film Ajur.
Thank you IFFK for giving this opportunity to share our story with you. I feel that I just imagine that if my villagers, my kids who acted in the film, if they are here, they must feel very inspired that a film can have a festival such huge also. Because since childhood, I had seen many festivals, around my village, around in my state. Of course, that is not a film festival, but different festivals. So they never can imagine that a film have such huge festival also. So I just hoping that one day they can come. And just before this, when we were in the KIF, for the very first time they come out from the village to participate in the KIF. And they saw such big city in their life for the first time. So it was very great to see their, face, their emotion and all. I feel that Ajur's selection in IFFK is not just important for us, or not for just my community, but for all the young people who wanted to make cinema in very less resource. Allow me to share with you a bit story. Why I'm telling this? Like my mother used to do a festival called Tej. So in North India, a lot of festival women's do. One of them is Tej. So in that festival, my mom used to wake up for the whole night before the God. And so we used to wake up also. So what my father used to do, he used to rent a DVD and TV from the market. So he can play the DVD and TV, so my mom can wake up whole night watching film. That's how I started to watch the films. But I would say surely that I never watched in my that age something classic films. I always watch very like Rajesh Khanna kind of films, and films of course derived from Mumbai. And there is no such environment in my village, in my state also, that where I can say that, oh, I have opportunity to learn about something classic films, learn about something, a film that is more near to life. That I only realized when I moved from my state and goes to Delhi, and I started to participate in different film festival. One very important thing makes me connecting with film festival, that I started to watch regional films of India. That gives me this perspective that, oh, I have a lot of story also in my community. So I can go back to my community and work with them. Because I saw films are, in the film festival in Delhi, films are from Kerala, of course from Assam, of course from Mumbai, in Marathi and all. But there were no films from Bihar. So that was very, haunting for me that, oh, it is not a film from Bihar. And in our community, I feel that even in Kerala, in every community, a lot of stories happening all the time. You just need to put the camera. So when I go back to my village, before that I traveling across the India, and I realized that people from Bihar is everywhere. You will see in the northeast, you will see in the Kashmir, you will see everywhere people from the Bihar. And one more thing I observed, that they are mostly unskilled people. So they are doing the labor's work and all. So with making, with telling their story, another thing very fascinating for me, to train them for filmmaking, to train them for a different skill. So they can be more skillful, Once you are not skillful, your earning is different. Once you get skillful, your earning is very different. So my target when I go back to my village was not to make a film, but to empower my community also, so they can realize that, oh, film can be like this also. First, when we started to make film, many people used to come and give me suggestion. Did you put any song? Did the film have any dance sequences? And they were also telling that how one can make a film in the rural part. Film always being made in the very big cities, in Mumbai, in big cities. For them, it is the perception. In the Azure case, we made completely the film in the rural area. The whole thing being shot in the rural area, and on the location, until the post involved in the film, 100% people is from the rural part. They being trained, they being involved in the whole process for the first time. And they really experience the cinema. During the process of making, they really feel that, oh, cinema can be this also, out of that, songs, vulgar songs, dance and all. In the starting, of course, they were knocking me. Let's put a song, because this is completely, we were making a film that was very involved with the community. So I was staying inside the community, taking their effort to make everything possible. So they have a space, larger space to give me suggestions also. So they very often used to come and give me these suggestions. So that's why I feel that selection in IFFK, like I'm under 30, and I made the film that is in IFFK, earlier it was in KIF. I feel that these selections will boost the confidence of a lot of young people who wanted to make the films. And they think that for making films really need a lot of, money and all. Of course, there is some planning for that. But if you have a dream, if you have a story to tell, then I think all the things is thought out with slowly. It is sought out with the, whatever energy around you. So in our case, it's happened the same way. Like we shot the whole film in 2 years. And if you see the kids, they are growing very fast. Their voice is changing very fast because the kids grow very fast. So we were a bit worried also that the voice should not change. The kids' lookout should not change. So we were in rush. But of course, there were a lot of struggle. I'm telling you one incident. We have shot the whole scene of our film, but all the rain scene was not being shot. Because for rain scene, we were not having anything. We were working on a very natural locations, even we shot the film in the people's house. So my mother acted in the film, my grandfather acted in the film. And so we shot in a very rural part. And so we were about to shot the raining shot, but there were no much rain. So we were a bit worried what to happen. And the cinematographer who has given me time is about to go already. So on the day he was about to go, I got call from my mom, and she said that it seems like there will be rain today. So you can come out and check. It was 4 or 5 in the morning. I come out, the cloudy it was. And I woke up cinematographer and I asked him, would you like to cancel your tickets and stay today? He said, completely not. So while going there, I feel that stay, and we got very good rain, and that's how we shot all the rains in the whole day. So thank you for listening, and thank you for being so nice.